Stir-fried bok choy isn't just tasty and simple to cook, it's also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system and keeps your skin glowing. The dark green leaves are rich in vitamin K and calcium, both important for strong bones and healthy blood flow.
Bok choy is also loaded with beta-carotene, an antioxidant that helps protect your eyes and keeps your vision sharp. And because it's low in calories but high in fiber, it keeps you feeling light, satisfied, and energized.
So when you're adding bok choy to the pan, you're not just making dinner, you're giving your body a real boost from head to toe. Now, let's jump right into the recipe, and I'll show you how I stir-fry this superfood to bring out all its fresh flavor.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, click the subscription button, and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a yummy day!